Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you, what is it? It's 12 by 24 inch or 30.5 by 61 centimetre canvas, which I have put some black paint on, and I'm going to do a centre swipe, but one with a bit of a difference today. Yes, I have silver, gold, which are both metallic, white and a bit more black. So I'm going to start with the white. White. And I think silver next. And some gold. More here. The recipes for these paints and pouring medium you'll find below the video under Show More, along with the link to my Facebook group, Bit of Black, which is Australia Art Dreaming. Okay, so hopefully that will be quite enough, and I'll soon see what I'm doing here. I think we'll go across. No, it won't. So I'll do it in two parts. There's my knife. Get on. Okay. I left my scissors upstairs, so I don't want to go all the way up there. Just for scissors. So here we go. We'll just do this in pieces. Oops, not you. Come on. Two. One. Two. There's this little piece here. No, that's not going to work. I need a proper piece. That'll do. Right. That went a bit wobbly. Okay, so that's side one. And I think I'll put some more white along here. And just stamp this one off. Whoa, that did nicely. And I'll just use the other end of this one. Down there. All the gooey cloths. Very good. No need. That's it. and then around and bring them back. Right. Well, the silver and gold has come up. The silver here, gold here, gold here. That's really cool. So, that's a knife. So, clean one would be good. Here we go. A little bit of wiggling and waggling. And here. And here. And some silver wiggles. Why should they be any different? They're not. Oh, this is really pretty. Some gold. Ah, yes. Very nice. So now I'm going to torch it because I'm sure I'll get more cells if I can get the torch to turn on. Very good. Very good. I'll just whack some black paint along these ends here that appear to need a bit more. Okay, so they're good. Top and bottom where I tilted is okay. I didn't tilt to the side because I didn't want it to go crooked. Okay, so there's my sides done. Dab, dab, dab. And yes, perhaps a bit of black here and there along this bottom edge. Dab it in. Gives it the appearance of infinity. Maybe it goes a little bit 3D. So that's done that. When I did that, I'll do this. Right, I like this. Now that I've said that, it might be a good time to stop messing with it. I liked one yesterday and I just kept going with it, and in the end I had to just demise it. It was terrible because I couldn't wait, I couldn't mind my business. Right, I'll wash my hands and then I'll bring you down to have a look. I'll get the black paint on. I think black paint's the hardest one to get off. But I like this one. And you shall see. If you haven't already, please subscribe, click the little bell, you'll be notified then when I put up more videos. Very nice. Lots of lacing. The gold has reacted with the silicone up here and made some lace for me, which I think is really pretty. The gold and the silver, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's really, really shimmery. When it's dry, it'll even be better. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please give it the thumbs up. I do appreciate people when you give me the thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.